In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of Copilot in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint to enhance your social media strategy. We'll explore how to request ideas and drafts for your posts, customize and format your content, and finally, how to export or schedule these posts using social media tools. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just looking to boost your personal brand, these steps will help streamline your process and make your content more impactful. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open Copilot in either Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Copilot is an AI-driven tool that can assist you in generating creative content efficiently. If you're in Word or PowerPoint, find Copilot in the toolbar, usually located under the Home or Insert tab, depending on your application's interface. Clicking on the Copilot icon will activate the feature, opening up a powerful array of possibilities for your social media content creation. Once Copilot is up and running, you can request ideas or drafts for social media posts directly from the tool. All you need to do is enter a prompt that aligns with your brand's message or the particular campaign you're working on. Be specific yet creative to get the most relevant suggestions. For example, if you're promoting a new product, you might ask Copilot to draft post ideas that highlight its unique features or benefits. The tool will then generate a selection of engaging post ideas that you can choose from to fit your needs. With these initial drafts in hand, your next step will be to customize and format the content to reflect your brand's voice and style. You may want to adjust the language, tone, or layout to make the post more appealing to your audience. Consider adding hashtags, mentions, or other multimedia elements that align with your social media strategy for a more vibrant and effective post. Remember, a well-tailored message not only stands out but also resonates deeply with your audience. After you've polished your content, the final task is to export or schedule your post using social media tools. Depending on the tools you're using, you can either download the content as a document or directly share it through your social media management software. This step helps in ensuring that your content goes live at the optimal time, maximizing engagement. Schedule your posts to cater to your audience's peak browsing times for enhanced reach and interaction. By following these steps, you'll create a seamless workflow from content generation to post scheduling, ultimately saving time and increasing efficiency in your social media endeavors. Embrace the AI capabilities Copilot offers